कसर, जुड़े वतन बढ़ाए जब, तू शेरे हिंद आगे बढ़, मरने से फिर भी तू न डर, उड़ा के दुश्मनों का सर, जुड़े वतन बढ़ाए जब, कदम कदम बढ़ाए जब, खुशी के गीत गाए जब, ये जिंदगी है कौम की, तू काम पे लुटाए जब।
India is my country. The Indian is my brother. The Indian is my life. The soil of India is my highest heaven. The good of India is my good. I pledge that in all my thoughts and deeds, the safety, the honor, the welfare of my country shall come first, always and every time.
Some of the renowned heroes were Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, Jawaharlal Nehru, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Bhagat Singh, etc., whose sacrifice and contribution to our country is immense. We should remember those heroes with sincere gratitude. This day reminds us about the fulfillment of the pledge made on the midnight of independence as trust with destiny. It also reminds the vision of India that we nourish, the acceptance of responsibility and making our promise, as well as the recapitulation of the achievement. It was Dr. B.R. Ambedkar whose tireless labor and sharp insight helped in the preparation of the longest written constitution of the world, which contains 395 articles and 12 schedules, as well as numerous amendments. So we owe so much to the contribution of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar.
Surya Namaskar. It helps to improve blood circulation throughout the body, strengthens the heart and
ॐ भानवे नमः ॐ खगाय नमः ॐ पूष्णे नमः ॐ हिरण्यगर्भाय नमः ॐ मरीचये नमः ॐ आदित्याय नमः
we can never forget their sacrifice towards our country. We should remember them on a great occasion and salute them. Finally, we got independence from the British rule in 1947 just because of them. Today, our country has developed a lot and counted among the powerful countries in the world. Dr. Abdul Kalam has said that if a country is to become a corruption-free and become a nation of beautiful minds, I strongly feel that there are three key societal members in the society. They are the father, the mother, and the teacher. Lastly, I conclude my speech remembering a great saying of Swami Vivekananda. He said, "Renunciation and service are the national ideals of India. Intensify her in this channel. The rest will take care of itself." And I salute the flag of my motherland. Most revered Srimad Swami Gitatmananda Ji Maharaj, Secretary, Ramakrishna Mission, Ashram School, our Honorable Chief Guest, SDPO Muniguda, other Maharajas of the Order, my dear teachers and students. Today, we are assembled here to celebrate 69th Republic Day. In the year 1947, when India got independence, there was a question, can India survive? 2018, it is sure that India has become a superpower. If we talk about the nuclear energy, India is having the 25% of thorium of the world, and as such our nuclear energy reserves is also very high. So India is a country having a young force, and when young force is there, definitely it is going to be a superpower. Third, global diaspora. 35 million non-resident Indians are there throughout the globe, and it is a plus point to our country. Next, you will find that if we talk about science and technology, today's Indian science and technology has reached its peak just a month back only, and PSLV satellite has taken 33 satellites, all from other countries, to the orbit. Last year, it has made a record of setting 104 satellites in the orbit. And if we talk about our educational institute, they are the best. IIT, IIM, NIT, AIMS, then TIFR, all these institutions are world known. Next, if we talk about medical tourism, India is giving first world medical service at a cost of third world price. So, 3/4 of the world population is now coming towards India to get their health alignment treated. Pride, what Swamiji says, that have pride in the culture of yours, have pride in the culture of your country, have pride in yourself. Think that my country is the best, I am the best, nobody can stop me and my country.
Dedication towards the work assigned to us with dedication spirit. But we have to go ahead, consider ourselves not a backward classes, but to the general public in the society. I request you, the patriotism and the love towards our society is only the fact which can inspire us to go forward. Thank you. Vande Mataram.
I'm grateful that despite his busy schedule, Mr. Malik has joined us celebrating the Republic Day in our school. When I called him and requested, immediately he agreed. Swamiji, as you know, we are working in such a department, anything may happen anytime. But I assure you, if I am free, I will definitely come in time and join you. We are thankful to you, Mr. Malik. And boys, about the program, I am really very happy to see your wonderful performances. The March past, except 1 or 2 platoons, was wonderful. And in our next occasion, we will still make it more beautiful, more better. And I assure you, we will have our March past in the coming year with school band. The yoga display and the pyramid which you have done is really something wonderful, especially the pyramid part. I am thankful to our game teacher, Dulai, and of course all other teacher friends and our Swamijis who are looking after you, and of course the man behind, our principal, Mr. Banerjee. Boys, you have heard about the Republic Day. Someone from you, +9, he spoke so wonderfully, describing what is Republic Day, how it all come up and what does it mean. So also your teacher, Mr. Pramanik. And finally, very befitting the occasion, our principal, not speaking on the day, about the day, he described why India is the superpower. I am thankful to all of you, all the teachers, staff members, students, and my monastic brothers to make this event a grand success. Thank you all. Thank you. Vande Mataram.